This time, I would like to share with you the fascinating urban legend that suggests the Earth is actually an alien testing ground. Earth is an alien testing ground. The hypothesis that Earth is an alien testing ground. It has been talked about frequently in SF novels and conspiracy theories. This idea is human beings and life on Earth. Furthermore, historical events. Advanced extraterrestrial intelligent life. It's being manipulated by aliens for some purpose. This hypothesis suggests that the reason for human existence and the process of evolution. Furthermore, it is possible that the civilization itself is part of an experiment by aliens. Well then, analyzing this hypothesis from multiple angles, scientific, social, I would like to look at it together from a philosophical perspective. Background to the hypothesis of Earth as an experimental site. Observations and experiments on the cosmic scale. Just as humans observe animals and ecosystems in scientific experiments, there is a hypothesis that Earth is also chosen as a target for alien experiments. In this hypothesis, Earth is part of the universe. An unknown engineering civilization inherited life on Earth. This suggests that research may be conducted from the perspective of environmental cultural change. Aliens understand the process of evolution. The idea is that we are trying to contribute to the knowledge system of the entire universe. Ancient civilizations and alien involvement. Proponents of this hypothesis? Pyramids and stones, ancient ruins like replies, Nazca ground paintings, etc. Ayuri claim to be evidence of Anne's intervention. In particular, since these ruins require very advanced architectural techniques and mathematical knowledge, it has been discussed that technology that was impossible for humanity at the time was brought about by aliens. Ancient spaceflight facilities. According to this theory, it is said that the beings worshipped as gods by the ancients were actually aliens. It is thought that it has been directly involved in the evolution of mankind and the development of civilization. Specific purpose of the experiment. If it truly is an extraterrestrial testing site, there are various possibilities for its purpose. Observation and control of evolution. There's a possibility that Earth's evolutionary process of organisms has been observed over extended periods of time. Human and animal evolution may not be purely natural. If it's the result of deliberate genetic manipulation, it brings a new perspective on why we exist. Gene manipulation. According to some conspiracy theories, as a result of human DNA being manipulated by aliens, Homo sapiens is reported to have undergone rapid evolution. Thus, the hypothesis is that increased consciousness and intelligence were brought about. Experiments in cultural and social evolution. The aliens, to promote the development of culture and society on the Earth, it is believed to be interfering with historical events and technological advances. For instance, technological milestones in human history, such as the Industrial Revolution and the computer revolution of the 20th century, marked critical turning points. This implies that extraterrestrial forces might have intervened. War and peace as social experiments. There is also the idea that wars and the development of religion are observed as experiments to understand the social structure of humanity. Planetary system coordination. Climate change and environmental destruction on Earth. There is also a hypothesis that it is controlled by aliens. They know how the Earth is out of balance. They could be conducting a worldwide experiment to observe if there is any recovery. 4. Several means by which extraterrestrials interfere with humans. 1. Kidnapping, abduction, and human experiments. Alien abductions have been reported globally. The experience of abduction is sometimes claimed to be evidence that extraterrestrial life is studying the human body and mind. These experiencers, with a chip implanted in the body, genetic manipulation is performed. I often testify that it was done. Telepathy and mind control. Some hypotheses suggest that aliens manipulate telepathy and human consciousness. Using technology, they manipulate our thoughts and actions. Thus, it is possible that human history and future are moving in the direction they intend. 5. Scientific criticism of this hypothesis. Many scientists denies the idea that Earth is an alien testing ground. The reason is as follows: lack of evidence, reports of ancient ruins and abduction. It is not considered scientifically confirmed evidence, hypothesis that ignores the evolution of nature, the evolution of humans and organisms, result of natural selection or mutation, and it is believed that it can be explained without interference from extraterrestrial life. Product of human creativity. Many conspiracy theories and urban legends. It is said to be born out of fear and curiosity about the unknown. Ethical issues and social implications. If this hypothesis is true, human society will be greatly affected. Denial of human free will. If our behavior is controlled by aliens, this nullifies the foundational concept of human autonomy. Will be. If it is suggested that the supreme alien of religion and philosophy may be the creator of mankind, religious doctrines and philosophical beliefs would require a complete redefinition. New challenges in science and ethics. If alien technology is brought to humanity, it raises the ethical question of how to use that technology. 7. Conclusion. The hypothesis that the Earth is an experimental site for aliens is, despite the lack of scientific evidence, it provides an interesting perspective for humanity to reconsider its own existence and evolution. This hypothesis suggests that it's a possibility that goes beyond reality as we know it. If aliens observe humans and the Earth, if you're manipulating it, what approach should we take towards our existence? The answer to this question is not just scientific verification. Our society and values, it's gonna have a big impact on the future. At the moment, this hypothesis is hypothetical. It has not been proven or denied, but given the vastness of the universe, the possibility that we are being observed, perhaps you can't fully deny it. What were your thoughts on it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.